Good morning, it's Monday morning and we're on Eastgate Street. Look how beautiful she looks. I'm going to go up and show you the ceiling because it's now complete, all the barriers are down and it's looking absolutely fantastic. Let me have a walk. We've got two of the remaining signs. Hopefully they're not going to take these down. It'd be really nice if they left them up. The other one there. And let's go and have a look. All you can smell is paint. Lovely blue and white. It's so clean looking. It's wonderful. Look how amazing that is. They've done such a fantastic job. When it's going to open, we're not quite sure. Springtime, we think. That's a guess. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful and shiny and clean. As are the shields. They've been given a bit of a dust. I don't think they've been painted, but still looking amazing. Seagulls having a shout this morning. Look at that. They've done such a wonderful job. It's been a long time coming. But it's now a pleasure to walk back down here again. It was so dilapidated for such a long time. Yeah, absolutely lovely to see. So I'm going to go to Cafe Nero, get myself a cuppa and have a warm up because it's absolutely Baltic this morning. Have a great day.